Welcome to Shantalakshmi IAS. May 20 Prelims MCQs. Question number 1. Central Drugs Standard Control Organization is responsible for 1. Approval of drugs, 2. Conducts trials, 3. Grant license to import drugs, 4. Bans drugs. Option A 1, 2, 3, B 2, 3, 4, C 1, 3, 4, D 1, 2, 3, 4. And the answer is D. CDSCO is under Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. It is the National Regulator Authority of India. Headquartered is at New Delhi. The Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940 and Rules 1945 have entrusted various responsibilities to central and state regulators for regulation of drugs and cosmetics. It envisages uniform implementation of the provisions of the acts and rules made thereunder for ensuring the safety, rights, and well-being for the patients by regulating the drugs and cosmetics. Question number 2. Identify the correct statement regarding National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority. 1. It is a statutory body. 2. It is under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. 3. It is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 4. Its headquarters in Pune. A. 1, 3, 4. B. 1, 2, 4. C. 1 and 2. D. 1 and 3. And the answer is C. NPAA was established by Government of India resolution in 1997. It is a statutory body. It's an office attached to the Department of Pharmaceuticals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, headquartered in New Delhi. Question number 3. Agricultural and Processed Foods Products Exports Development Authority, APEDA, comes under A. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, B. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, C. Ministry of Food Processing Industries, D. None of the above. And the answer is A. APEDA was established by the Government of India under the Agricultural and Processed Food Products Exports Development Authority Act 1985. Functions under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, headquarters in New Delhi. Question number 4. Largest iceberg in the world. A. A76 in Antarctica. B. A23A in Antarctica. C. A76 in Antarctica. D. A23A in Antarctica. And the answer is A. A76 is the largest iceberg as of now. It recently broken and fell into Weddell Sea. Question number 5. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights is an Indian statutory body consist of option A. 1 chairperson and 6 members, out of which at least 2 are women. B. 1 chairperson and 5 members, out of which at least 2 are women. C. 1 chairperson and 6 members, out of which at least 3 are women. D. 1 chairperson and 5 members, out of which at least 3 are women. And the answer is A. It works under Ministry of Women and Children. The commission consists of the following members, namely a chairperson who is a person of eminence and has done an outstanding work for promoting the welfare of children, and 6 members, out of which at least 2 are women. From the following fields is appointed by the central government from among person of eminence, ability, integrity, standing, and experience in education, child health, healthcare, welfare or child development, juvenile justice or care of neglected or marginalized children or children with disabilities, elimination of child labor or children in distress, child psychology or sociology, and laws relating to children. Question number 6. G20 is a global forum comprised of 20 of the world's largest economies. Along with them, which of the following country is a permanent guest? Option A, Iran. B, Spain. C, Netherlands. D, Switzerland. And the answer is B. Spain is the permanent guest and always participate in G20 summits. Question number 7. AUKUS Treaty is a security treaty Identify the correct statement regarding it. 1. It is to cooperate on military matters in the Pacific Ocean region. 2. It is among Africa, US and New Zealand. Option A, 1 and 2. B, 1 only. C, 2 only. D, none of the above. And the answer is B. It is the 1951 Collective Security Non-Binding Agreement between Australia, New Zealand and separately Australia and United States. Question number 8. NATO countries have endorsed a goal of spending what percent of the total economy on defense? Option A, 0.5%, 2%, C, 8%, D, 10%. And the answer is B. Question number 9. Identify the correct statement regarding Taukte cyclone. 1. It originated over Arabian Sea. 2. It named by the country Bangladesh. Option A, 1 and 2. B, 1 only. C, 2 only. D, none of the above. And the answer is B. It is named by Myanmar. Question number 10. Identify the correct statement regarding Ranthambore National Park. Option A. It is bounded by north by Banas River and south by Chambal River. B. It is bounded by south by Banas River and north by Chambal River. C. It is bounded by east by Banas River and west by Chambal River. D. It is bounded by west by Banas River and east by Chambal River.